Hi Somate, you are welcome back to Sew with Adesola. In today's tutorial, I will be sharing with you how to cut and sew a scrunchie. Without wasting any of our time, let's get right into the tutorial. First, you want to cut out a piece of fabric that is about 21 inches long or more and about 6 inches wide or more, depending on the size you want. And after which, you're going to fold it into two, just the way I did right here. And then from this end of this fabric, you're going to mark 2 inches, just the way I am doing right here. Then you go to the extreme end of the other side and mark 2 inches as well. And from this point, you want to stitch to the other side of the marked point as well. Okay, stitch with 0.5 inch, and this is what I had after I was done. You can see the allowance we left earlier on both sides. Now the next thing we're going to do is just to turn it inside out, just the way I am doing right here, and this is what I had after I was done turning it out. Now the next thing you want to do is to fold it into two, just the way I am going to do right here. Now just look at it and place the ends right side facing each other together and stitch with 0.5 inch as well. This is what I had after I was done stitching. As you can see, now we have our scrunchie coming alive. Now the next thing we want to do is to pass our elastic through this opening right here. I'm going to take my elastic right now and cut out about 6 inches. That is the measurement I want to use. You can use as much as you want, but ensure that this is going to hold your hair firmly. Alright, so I'm using 6 inches. Then I'm going to use my safety pin to pass it into the scrunchie itself. All right, so go ahead and also do the same thing. And after I was done doing that, this is what I have. I'm just going to use my safety pin to hold the second part of this elastic and then take it to my sewing machine and stitch it together right there. And after I am done sewing it together right there, I'm also going to make sure that the elastic enters into the band, and then I'm going to stitch that opening right there, the opening we left earlier on. I hope you understand what I've just explained right now. All right, so after I was done, this is what I had. You can see I've gone ahead to stitch the opening, and we don't have any opening right there. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial, and our scrunchie is all ready. Thank you for watching up until this moment. Do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.